one single destination for everything organic and eco-friendly. So the idea of naming it Eco Street was because whenever we have, any kind of, whatever the area is, it will be ideally, made to look like a street, and where you have like a bazaar where you have many shops and you can, buy eco-friendly stuff.
Hi, I'm Megha Padnu. We are Bombay based. So we make ethical footwears, ethical as in not only we use tar soles, but we also promote artisans.
So these are basically plants that are kept in together as a miniature garden. They survive on their own. They don't need much caring and maintenance, and they have been kept into a very sustainable biosystem. So it sort of doesn't even need to be watered. And so they work like a miniature garden that can be kept indoors in your house, in your office, on your table. And we call it Life on Your Table.
So this is Shuddhi Therapy. It's a handmade therapy by me and my wife. It's based on the 5 Shuddha Tattvas in Shaivism. It's primarily for healing and skincare. So we have this healing oil. It heals any kind of aches, pains, arthritis, sinusitis, migraine, piles, insomnia, dandruff, women's menstrual cramps, acidity, stress, fatigue, cold congestion, psoriasis, dermatitis. Lately it has shown healing carpal tunnel syndrome, and the list just goes on.
I'm Arushi Agarwal and I basically run the initiative. We provide sustainable livelihoods through handcrafted products. So the products are functional, well designed and handcrafted.
Welcome to the Spreewell Healthcare world. Spreewell Healthcare actually have 2 different brands. One is Jaivik and one is Young. Jaivik is the certified organic products. Certified organic product contains shampoo, conditioner, range of moisturizer, toning gel. This is certified by EcoCert France. And as far as Young brand is concerned, Young is the only brand which is made up of cow ghee. So the entire range, the product contains lipstick, moisturizer, body lotion, lip balm, kajal, and whole range of products.
Hi, I'm Sim, and Divine Love is our brand. We are manufacturers of Ayurvedic shampoo, conditioner, and incense. That's our current range. Shampoo and conditioner are made with aloe vera and other herbs known for cleaning the hair and conditioning the hair. Excellent products. We've been selling in Australia for the last 10 years. And now we are launching our products in the Indian market.
Hi, so this is our stall. We are Papco Greenware. Basically, we deal in eco-friendly disposables that you use in your food industry. So we have plates, cups, bowls. All our products are made from agricultural waste. So it's tree-free paper in the sense that we source our raw materials from the waste of bamboo cultivation, sugarcane cultivation, wheat straw cultivation. And we also have some plastic cutleries which are not your petroleum-based plastic, but these are corn-based plastics. So they are also compostable in the large sense. So the entire idea of our product line is more trees and less plastic. And that's how we even pitch to restaurants, and we're trying to convert them into this initiative.
This is Bird Pet Organics. We are basically like a home-based farmhouse. All this produce comes from our own farmhouse in Himachal Pradesh. And we started off with this Amla tea, which is in a gift box at the moment. But this is what we first started out with. Apart from the health benefits, it's also, it's a really nice tangy drink to have. And after, making this at home, we started experimenting with all our other naturally grown produce.
हमारे खुद के बीआईज है जिससे हम हनी कलेक्शन करना सिखाते हैं। ये एक एनजीओ है जो बी कीपिंग सिखाती है फार्मर्स, ट्राइबल्स और बी कीपिंग जिसको सीखना है उसके लिए। तो हम बी कीपिंग सिखा के साइंटिफिकली बीज को बिना मारे हुए शहद कैसे निकाला जाता है ये भी सिखाते हैं, और ये पूरा नेचुरली कलेक्शन होता है। तो ये आप जो हनी देख रहे हैं ये बेर का हनी है। ये सबसे ज़्यादा टेस्टी भी है और ये स्किन ग्लोइंग के लिए अच्छा है।
Hi, I'm Amrita from 24 Mantra. So I'm taking care of operations in Pune, and we are an entirely organic company. The products are all 100% pesticide-free products, and it's Hyderabad based. Basically, we have all the products which will be required for a kitchen to change to organic, shift entirely to organic. We have staples, that is the atta, dal, chawal, all the spices. Also, we have a range of processed food, in which we have the spreads, honey, we have all jams, green tea varieties, and juices, cookies, etc.
Hi, my name is Jisal. I'm from Bionex India. I represent a Canadian company called Bionix, and we are just launched in the Indian market, making e-bike pedal assist systems. So we have a battery and a motor and a console which can be installed onto any cycle. And the USP about the product is that you can travel more distance and you can travel farther and faster without putting in as much energy.
Seems like an interesting concept. I definitely would try it and maybe get to know better and maybe come again next year then.
It's been nice. There's some good stuff you don't see otherwise, but it's fun.
This kind of makes me feel happy that at least I'm going back to what really should be eaten, and I actually opened the jars to smell them.